美国总统川普伫咧英国的国事访问结束，嘛甲英国首相史凯尼共同宣布签署科技发展协议，要来强化人工智慧、量子科技等等的合作。嘛强调美英的特殊关系是密。川普也佮批评罗西亚总统普京会真失望，嘛讲19会和中国国家主席习近平通电话来讨论 TikTok 未来的命运。
伫英国首相高举官舍7个月装潢，美国总统川普甲英国首相史凯尔见面了，宣布要建造跨政府、学术甲产业的科学甲技术伙伴关系 ，AI 是核心合作的领域。川普讲，美英关系正坚实，这边重点是要强化科技创新甲投资连结。
So we're taking the next logical step with a historic agreement on science and technology partnerships, and this will create new government, academic, and private sector cooperation in areas such as AI, which is taking over the world.
What a day. £250 billion flowing both ways across the Atlantic. It is the biggest investment package of its kind in British history by a country mile.
川普伫咧甲史凯尔的联合记者会讲到，俄战争时阵讲，本来就是讲看到伊甲罗西亚关系会当正紧就化解冲突，因果情势比预期较复杂，伊对普京正失望。
The one that I thought would be easiest would be because of my relationship with President Putin, but he's let me down. He's really let me down.
因为甲中国的争议焦点 TikTok， 川普讲19伊会甲中国国家主席习近平通电话，看敢有方法会当解决。
So what we're doing, and we're speaking to President Xi on Friday to see if we can finalize something on TikTok, because there is tremendous value, and I hate to give away value, but I like TikTok. It helped get me elected. In fact,
讲到以巴的问题，史凯尔重申推撒和平路线图，一个有条件承认巴勒斯坦。川普正明确地讲，伊无同意每一个国家伫这个时阵成立巴勒斯坦国，讲伫这一点甲英国方面意见无同。另外，川普也宣布美国正想要重新掌控伫阿富汗的巴格兰空军基地。伊也批评前任总统拜登的政府2021年对阿富汗撤军时阵的混乱的情形。公司新闻郑伟林、吴其昌编写。